Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. The CCI has transitioned into overbought territory. Bitcoin has lost 1.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator moved into the neutral zone. The price of gold has fallen 0.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator has shifted sharply into the neutral zone. The price of crude oil has gained 2.7% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned into neutral territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Worries about lofty U.S. bond yields hit global shares as investors waited to see if Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell would address concerns about a rapid rise in long-term borrowing costs. Reports say Grayscale added 174,000 tokens to its Litecoin holdings in the past month, pushing its holdings to 1.44 million. The dollar held gains against a basket of its peers as a more orderly rise in U.S. Treasury yields lent support before a speech by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell that may determine the trend for global markets.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT, the U.S. unemployment rate at 13:30 GMT, Italy's retail sales at 900 GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 700 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.